astronaut reaching for the moon. B is for builder, building very soon. C is for chef, cooking something grand. D is for doctor, the best in the land. E is for engineer, fixing all the gears. F is for firefighter, calming all the fears. G is for gardener, planting in the sun. H is for hairdresser, making hair look fun. I is for inventor, with a bright new light. J is for judge, doing what is right. K is for kayaker, paddling fast and free. L is for librarian, as smart as can be. M is for mechanic, fixing up the car. N is for nurse, shining little star. O is for officer, watching all the street. P is for pilot, flying through the heat. Q is for quarterback, blowing to the end. R is for reporter, a message they will send. S is for scientist, testing something new. T is for teacher, helping me and you. U is for umpire, watching everyone play. V is for vet, helping pets today. W is for writer, typing on the page. X is for x-ray tech, helping every age. Y is for yoga teacher, calm and very still. Z is for zookeeper, with a happy thrill. A to Z, the dream team is done. Learning jobs is so much fun.